And I now give the floor to Dignity, Danish Institute Against Torture.
Your Excellencies, Dignity and the Committee for Justice urgently call for the Council's attention on the situation of human rights in Egypt. Just over 1 year ago, the Ambassador of Finland addressed this Council on behalf of 32 countries to express their deep concern about human rights in Egypt. Since then, the situation has only deteriorated further. Authorities continue to target peaceful activists and critics for prosecution before Egypt's emergency state security courts, the decisions of which are not subject to appeal. Despite the end of the state of emergency in Egypt last year, Cairo has passed laws that essentially make these emergency procedures permanent. Thousands of dissidents are held in pretrial detention, in many cases for years, adding to Egypt's overcrowded prisons where conditions are dire. Last year, 69 prisoners, most of which were jailed on political grounds, died in custody. The accused are remanded to custody without evidence being presented against them and without opportunities to mount defenses. And where detainees receive judicial release orders, prosecutors add them to new cases on the same or similar trumped-up charges to keep them in detention. Unsurprisingly, incidents of torture and ill treatment are widespread. In sum, Egypt's authorities violate fundamental human rights with near total impunity. The breadth and gravity of these abuses demand sustained and meaningful action from this Council. Accordingly, we urge members of this Council to create a mechanism to investigate, document, and prepare case files of the most serious human rights abuses and violations of international law occurring in Egypt since 2013. Thank you.
Thank you. And with this last intervention, we have concluded the general debate.